Hey everyone, the company that I decided to look into was the Colorado Eagles. I am an intern for them, so I'm always looking for different ways to kind of interact with fans and the players. In this filter, I decided to create a face mask just because with a lot of sports industries, they do paint their faces during games. You don't see it as much in hockey, so it'd be cool to bring that in. A way to do it without painting your face would be with this geo filter. Three different ways that you could use this idea is at games, at events that are just for season ticket holders, or during the off season. During the off season, some content gets hard to do just because there isn't as much going on. I also thought that you could promote it at the front of games, like, hey, we have this geo filter, or Snapchat filter, Facebook filter, use it to interact during the game. And the goal is to get the fans engaged.